It's a strange question that keeps popping up in documentaries and viral videos. Do dolphins actually get high? Some clips show dolphins interacting with pufferfish in ways that seem deliberate, followed by behavior that looks calm or slowed down. To many viewers, it looks like more than simple play. But is it real science, misunderstanding, or just a good story that spread too fast online? Today, we're going to trace where this idea started, what scientists have truly observed, how dolphin brains work, and whether the evidence supports the claim that dolphins intentionally seek intoxicating effects right here on History of Simple Things. The idea that dolphins might get high gained popularity after footage from wildlife documentaries showed dolphins interacting with pufferfish. In several widely shared clips, dolphins appeared to gently mouth the fish and pass them among members of their group. Afterward, some dolphins were seen floating near the surface, moving slowly and appearing unusually calm. What made these clips so intriguing was the nature of the pufferfish itself. Certain species contain tetrodotoxin, a powerful toxin that can disrupt nerve signals. In large amounts, it can be deadly. But speculation arose that tiny doses might create temporary neurological effects rather than lethal ones. Because dolphins are known for their intelligence and playful behavior, many viewers believed the dolphins were intentionally provoking the fish to release small amounts of toxin. This interpretation spread quickly through media coverage and online discussions, turning a limited observation into a widely repeated claim. However, early excitement often moves faster than careful science. To evaluate the truth, researchers look beyond isolated moments and study behavior patterns over time. Dolphins are widely recognized as some of the most intelligent animals on Earth. Their brains are large relative to their body size, and they display advanced abilities such as communication, cooperation, and memory. They form strong social bonds and work together in coordinated hunting strategies, sometimes using techniques passed down through generations. Curiosity plays a major role in dolphin behavior. Like young children exploring their surroundings, dolphins investigate objects and creatures using their mouths, sonar, and body movements. This exploration helps them understand unfamiliar items in their environment. It also strengthens social relationships when done as a group activity. For example, dolphins often play with seaweed, bubbles, and floating debris. These activities may not serve an immediate survival function, but they help improve coordination and communication skills. Play is not wasted energy. It is a form of learning. This natural curiosity is important when interpreting dolphin interactions with pufferfish. Dolphins may not be seeking chemical effects at all. Instead, they may simply be investigating an unusual creature, testing boundaries, or engaging in social play that strengthens group connections. At the center of this mystery is tetrodotoxin, the potent chemical found in certain pufferfish species. This toxin interferes with sodium channels in nerve cells, blocking the electrical signals required for normal muscle movement. When these signals are interrupted, paralysis can occur. In humans, tetrodotoxin exposure can be extremely dangerous, even in small amounts. Symptoms may include numbness, weakness, and difficulty breathing. Severe cases can result in death if the respiratory system becomes paralyzed. Some animals, however, have partial resistance to toxins produced by their prey. This does not make them immune, but it may allow them to tolerate small exposures without fatal consequences. Scientists have considered whether dolphins might fall into this category, though evidence remains limited. Another factor to consider is how pufferfish release toxins. They do not constantly emit these chemicals. Instead, toxins are released primarily when the fish feels threatened or stressed. This means dolphins would need to trigger a response in the fish, possibly through biting or pressure, before exposure could occur. Even if exposure happened, the resulting effects might not resemble intoxication. Instead, they could reflect mild neurological disruption rather than any pleasurable sensation. Most of the evidence linking dolphins and pufferfish comes from isolated observations rather than systematic experiments. Wildlife filmmakers and marine researchers have occasionally recorded dolphins interacting with pufferfish in ways that appear coordinated. In some cases, dolphins seem to pass the fish between individuals, almost like sharing an object during play. After these interactions, dolphins have sometimes been observed lingering near the surface. They may float quietly or move more slowly than usual. To outside observers, this behavior has been interpreted as evidence of intoxication. However, scientists caution against drawing strong conclusions from limited data. There are only a small number of documented cases, and many variables remain unknown. Dolphins naturally exhibit a wide range of behaviors, including resting at the surface, slowing movement between activities, or pausing after social play. So, do dolphins get high? Based on available scientific evidence, there is no clear proof that dolphins intentionally intoxicate themselves. Observations of dolphins interacting with pufferfish are fascinating, but they are more likely explained by curiosity, play, or exploration rather than deliberate chemical use. This mystery highlights the importance of careful observation and critical thinking. Fascinating animal behavior should inspire questions, not quick assumptions. Dolphins remain remarkable creatures, not because of sensational claims, but because of their intelligence, adaptability, and complex social lives. Sometimes the most meaningful discovery is not confirming a myth, but understanding why it captured our curiosity in the first place. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.